Your kidneys and what they do. This is Gareth, and just like you, Gareth has 2 kidneys. Each kidney is about 11 centimetres long, approximately the size of a fist. They sit either side of the backbone, under the lowest ribs, in the area known as the flank. The kidneys have a lot of work to do for the body. They have 7 main jobs, and they work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to keep you and Gareth well. Job number 1. The kidneys make your urine. Urine allows the body to get rid of excess water, minerals and toxins. The kidneys make urine by filtering your blood. This urine then gets sent to your bladder. When the bladder is full, nature calls. Job number 2. They help keep you hydrated. The kidneys keep you hydrated by controlling how much water is added to your urine. Job number 3. They help control your blood pressure. The kidneys control how much salt is carried in your blood. More salt usually means more water is kept in your body, which increases the pressure in your blood vessels. Less salt in the blood usually means less water is kept in your body, which reduces blood pressure. The kidneys help to keep your blood pressure within a healthy range by releasing chemicals that can make your blood vessels relax or tighten. Job number 4. They balance the levels of minerals in your blood. The correct amount of minerals like potassium, sodium, calcium and phosphate are needed to make sure the cells in your body work properly. Job number 5. They make sure your blood has the right acidity level. The kidneys work with the lungs to help remove acidic minerals in the blood. The lungs remove acidic minerals when we breathe, and the kidneys do this through the urine. If the level of acidic minerals is too high or too low in your body, it can cause serious health problems. But it's not just the contents of your urine that kidneys control. They also have 2 other very important jobs. Job number 6. They help make vitamin D work in the body. Vitamin D keeps your bones and teeth strong and healthy. Your body creates vitamin D from direct sunlight on your skin when outdoors and through what you eat. But your kidneys have an important job in making vitamin D work effectively in the body. Job number 7. They help make red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen around the body to make our cells and tissues work. Amazingly, red blood cells are made in your bones. Your kidneys release a chemical that travels to the bone marrow, which is inside your bones. This chemical is a signal for your bones to make new red blood cells. So, as you can see, the kidneys have many vital jobs that help your body function properly, which is why good kidney health is so important. If you have any questions about the information in this video, or if you would like to learn more, visit our website.